really short on that left side there. Any pain as I press down?
No.
Okay, great. All right, so I'm gonna start right in this mid back, okay? Let's go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out and just let it all go. Perfect. Give me one more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Beautiful. Feel a little bit of vibration coming in, okay?
Okay.